Okay, good afternoon, students. This is going to be the last video for this assignment. And in this video, I'm going to explain step 17, 18. So step 17, it's back here when we have on the transaction worksheet. So when you enter the formula in certain like cell each and column A, H, and I, and some of these K, then you some of them we're showing some errors here like NA, okay, and yours I think on the column M the same thing, or the L. So when you insert, you in this step you insert a new function is called the if error function. So what this function do, it display a specific error and not or blank in the case that we are going to do now, instead of having this NA error. So in case of there is any error, the function display an error. So I have incorporated these functions. So let me just go ahead and delete this. So like cell H, I'm going to start in cell H10. So H10, your function is okay. So by adding this, the if error, it's a function. So the syntax for the if error function, sorry. So you start the value. So the value in this case is the existing functions that we already have, all this part, comma, and then the between the double quotation here, it's a space, but you can also type what is the error. You can just describe it. But in the assignment, asking you just put a space. So that's what you need to do for step H. Step 17, cell value H10. And then you copy it once you do that, and you just copy it here, the all. And the same thing, we need to adjust. You guys are going to do that the same for the I10. You enter the VLOOK the if error, and then the last one is K10. Okay, so it's just entering that to the if error. Same thing for the K10. Okay, and you copy it to all the cells. And that's it for the step 17. The last two steps, we're going to enter to calculate the net revenue and the total discount. The formula is giving custom formula. And also you enter the if error because you will have some errors in some of these cell values. So it is the I10 multiplied by open two parentheses, the minus 1 minus the sum of J10 to L10. Okay, that's for the first value. And then if an error, let's put a space. Okay, so you can see that, and then you copy it. The total discount. Oops, it is I10, which is the revenue minus the gross revenue minus the net revenue. And if there's an error, also put a space. Okay, and that would be the last step on this assignment. Again, this is all we're going to do next. It's be displaying or posting a new assignment on Canvas as more of to help you reflect on the learning in this assignment. So as you notice in chapter 5, we only have to do one MyLab IT assignment, which is this one. Okay. However, there will be another assignment posted on Canvas, more practice on the index match lookup function and the if-else function that you have to complete on the Canvas and submit the formulas. Okay. But this review will help you again reflect on your chapter 5 Excel learning with the advanced and the nested VLOOKUP and logical functions. See you next week. Thank you.